Countryside lentil soup cooking time, 1 hour serves, 6. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 onion, chopped, 3 garlic cloves, minced, 5 cups water, 3 1/2 cups chicken broth, 1 12-ounce packaged dried lentils, washed and drained, 3 carrots, finely chopped, 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon salt, 3/4 teaspoon black pepper. Directions: 1. In a soup pot over medium heat, heat oil, sauté onion and garlic 3 minutes. Add water, chicken broth, lentils, carrots, bay leaf, salt, and pepper. Bring to a boil over medium-high heat. 2. Reduce heat to low, cover, and simmer 40 to 45 minutes, or until lentils are tender. Remove and discard bay leaf before serving. Now your countryside lentil soup is ready to eat. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting recipes.